such as the reopening of the economy and even plans to push them out of the CBD. And as Musa Salah reports, Matatu owners now want the government to allow them operate on full capacity.
The Matatu Owners Association has said that they've been counting losses for the past 8 months since the first coronavirus case was reported in the country. The association's chairperson Simon Kimutai said that the losses have been attributed to the social distancing directive issued by the Ministry of Health, which requires passengers to observe a 1.5 meters distance, limiting the capacity of every matatu.
Since COVID-19 pandemic, we have been running of big-time losses because of the protocols that have been put in place that has hurt our business so much.
The Matatu owners also faulted the government for being hard on them, even as other businesses such as restaurants and clubs continue to operate following the reopening of the economy.
Unfortunately, to our dismay, other areas have been opened up. We are still pressed to observe the social distancing protocol in public transport.
Kimutai further asked the government to allow them to operate on full capacity, emphasizing that the government has been discriminating against them by allowing the state-operated standard gauge railway to operate on full capacity. He added that the spread of the virus will be limited if passengers correctly wear their masks and follow other measures that will be put in place.
If we don't have masks while we are even at more than a meter away, we will spread the virus. But if we have our masks placed in the right position, we will still be the same. We will not spread or get the virus. We have to allow our vehicles to carry the full capacity. When we have discrimination, having railway, SGR, having full capacity, because it gives the government revenue. What of us who are giving a service while doing private business?
The association has also objected the Nairobi Metropolitan Services plans to push matatus out of the CBD in its attempts to decongest the city.
But every time it's about, I'm going to throw you out, I'm going to take you out. You know, this, for sure, for business people like us, who are poor millionaires, it's very wrong to have that kind of approach. The law is very clear. Any change in industry or anything that affects Kenyans, there must be a discussion. There must be consultation. There must be inclusivity.
Matatus in the country have been operating on half capacity as the country continues to register high numbers of infections in the second wave of the virus. Musa Salah, TV 47.